Hi, this is Autumn, and today we're going to talk about using chatbots and live chat on your website. A chatbot is a marketing automation tool that uses artificial intelligence and logic trees to answer your leads' questions, validate them, and move them through their buyer's journey. A chatbot is a robot. It's marketing automation. Live chat is a direct one-to-one conversation between someone in your brand and a customer on the other side of the screen. Chatbots work through workflow functions. They are a system of questions and possible answers, and based on those answers, next actions. Chatbots are great for scoring leads and sending users to a page or a resource that they need quickly. They're not great for customer service because that's a complex issue and involves more empathy. Live chat, on the other hand, is a great one-to-one interaction. So I recommend a combination of both. Let the chatbot get the user's name and the email, and then a notification can be sent to a live person to follow up for that conversation. You can also use a combination of chatbot and live chat for when you're in the office and when you're not. So it's great to have someone on the live chat Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, and a chatbot that can answer quick questions and offer content when your office is closed.